Hello, Big Valley Elementary School. Mr. Brown here, and I want to say thank you guys for a great assembly. You guys listened so intently, and I had fun visiting your classrooms, having conversations about all kind of things. I really appreciate it being on your campus. But I want to remind you what we talked about. I choose kindness. Wait. Let me do something. Check this out. Did it work? It worked. Boy, Mr. Brown got it going on. See what I did there? I choose kindness. Kindness is so important to choose, and it's a choice. How you treat other people, how you respect people. Again, the golden rule, treat people the way you want to be treated. And honestly, I had some great conversation in classroom about some people disagreeing, some bullying going on. And hopefully we said I forgive you, we're moving on. We chose to squash it, and now we can move forward. We're treating people with kindness. And listen, if you do make a mistake, if you do laugh at somebody, you do something that puts somebody down, it's not an act of kindness, do the next right thing. Do the next right thing. Make it right, as we did in those classrooms. We had those conversations, and it's really important. So kindness is so important. So figure out some ways you can show some kindness to people, your friends, to your family, to your classmates, and even to your teacher. And one of the best ways that we talked about you can show kindness to your teacher is by listening in class, doing what you're supposed to do. And not just for a little bit of time after Mr. Brown came talking about choices, but make it a lifestyle, make it a habit that you choose kindness. Again, our definition for kindness is this: being friendly, generous, and considerate. What are some ways you can choose to be friendly to other people, be generous, and considerate? All those things equal kindness. And our world would be a better place if you choose, or when we choose kindness. Do it with me. I choose kindness. And it's a choice. When we make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. I look forward to coming back to your campus pretty soon to see you. And I hope to hear great stories about you choosing well and choosing kindness. Peace! Gotta switch up my clothes again. I don't know if I can. It's not working anymore. I did it once, and it was pretty cool. Oh, yeah.